Hello and welcome everyone, this is Less Than a Minute. Today we're going to talk about two words, addition and edition. Now addition and edition sometimes are confused in the middle of the sentence, in the middle of the speaking part. Let's try to understand them. Addition. Addition coming from the word add. Now addition here could be a math equation, like for example 2 plus 2 equals 4, or you can use it in a different situation, a formal way, in addition to. In addition to is equal to as well as. For example, in addition to his house in Malibu, he has another house in Milan. The second one is edition. Edition means a version or a model of something. Microsoft Windows, for example. We have Windows XP, we have Windows 7, we have Windows 8, we have Windows 10. Those are different editions of the same thing. I hope it's clear and useful. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.